Okay, hi guys. Thursday, YouTube. One more day left after this. So you're going to want to be logged into your YouTube account already. And then come over here, click on this little video camera icon and upload video. And you can click select files, but I like to just come down to the dock and just drag and drop because I keep everything in downloads for easy access until I'm done with the file. And then we can do, the title is in there, and I already have this stuff preset, so you just type in your description here, and you can upload a thumbnail, but I do the dragging as well. So here's the one that I used yesterday. Come here, you can do all your settings and then go next. This you can't do until later. But here is where you do the scheduling. You can save or publish. You can make it private, unlisted, public. Set as instant premiere. Or you can schedule right here. So when you click on schedule, this is where you can pick the date that you want it to go live. And the time, which is every 15 minutes starting on the 15 of the hour. So let's just do 1:15 p.m. time zone. The default time zone, and you can do set as premiere if you want to. I've done this by mistake because I don't know what I thought it meant, but if you do this, it's going to be like a premiere on your page and it'll show like premiere this day, and I kind of don't like that when it's not like a huge event that you're doing linked to the video, so it's really just preference. And then, yeah, once that's set, you just literally click schedule. And it's going to do its thing. We can close out until it's done. And then that's it. It's set for to be posted on the date that we chose. And you can, of course, go in and release it earlier if you want to. And that's YouTube scheduling. See you tomorrow for Canva.